Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're going to be checking out this espresso machine in Cusimax, I believe is how you say that. They sent this over to us for us to check out. As you see, it does come with an instruction manual. I highly recommend reading through this. It has a whole bunch of different little settings on here that you can adjust, change, goes over priming, all that. Obviously not stuff that I can cover in a quick video. It would have to be much more in depth, but just know, definitely check out that instruction manual. But overall, I've been using this now for the last few days. Made a few cups of espresso with it. Easy to use. You're just going to go ahead and turn it on. Whenever you turn it on, you're going to see this little thermometer gauge right here. It will slowly creep up until it gets to the OK position, and then you know that it is good to go. It's going to come with your portafilter right here. It does have multiple different sizes of these. In order to change these out, there is a little notch on here. You just line it up and it pops in and out. Same thing with the other one on here. Has a little notch on there. You just line it up and then it pops right down inside there, and then you twist it to lock it back in place. We're gonna be doing the 1 cup one today, so I'm just gonna line that notch up right there. There you go. There's the notch, and then it is in place. And then all you have to do is take this and we're going to push it up here inside of this. Sets just like that, and as you see, there are coffee beans right up here. Yes, it does have a built-in coffee bean grinder. And then we're just going to hit grind once because we had the 1 cup in there. And then it does its grinding for about 15 seconds. And as you see, we do have our coffee ground up in there. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our tamp. It does come with a plastic tamp. If you guys haven't ever used an espresso machine, they do have different types of tamps. This one is just a regular plastic one. Now you can upgrade to like a metal one, and that is what I recommend to do. The metal ones do a lot better job at this, allows you to push on this without having to worry about this possibly breaking or anything, though I haven't had any issues with this, so you probably would be okay with this. It's supposed to apply about 35 pounds of weight is what you should apply to this thing. And now that we have it nice and flat inside there, we're going to take it and put it inside here. Probably need to get my coffee cup up out of the way. Just put it up here at about a 45-degree angle, and then you're going to turn it and give it a nice good twist and lock it into place. Right there it says lock. You can put your coffee up underneath there just like that, and this does have water in the back of it. You can lift this up and fill it full of water, or you can remove the tank, take it somewhere and fill it up. I'm gonna go ahead and close that up, and then we're just going to do 1 cup, so we'll push this 1 time. If we wanted to do a 2 shot, we would press it twice. So just push it once. And boom, right there we go. We got us a nice shot of espresso. All right, now this does also do cool shots. So you can do like iced coffee, stuff like that. So we're gonna go ahead and turn the hot off, and then the cool is now on. And then we can place our cup underneath there and get cool also. So I'll go ahead and show you that, how to do it. Now, since it just had the hot in there, it's got to kind of flush that through, and it'll flush out the hot, and then it's going to eventually give you the cool. So you might have to do that a few times just to flush out that warmer water. Or obviously, if you come up here, first thing you do is hit this button. You don't have to worry about that. All right, so this does also have a steam function. I went ahead and let that heat back up. All you have to do is push the steam button right there. It's going to flash for a couple seconds, and then we'll let it turn solid. All right, it has now turned solid, and then our steamer is over here on this side. This little head down here does detach so that you can easily clean it out, because whenever you use milk on this, it will kind of get all frothy and gummed up on here, so that's always really nice that these detach. Also, it has a little handle right here. You want to be sure to use this handle because this is going to be over 200 degrees. Very, very hot. So I'm just going to use the cup that I have here, not using milk and stuff. And then we're just going to go ahead and not hold that because it's warm and turn this. Right there you go. You can see it coming out steam. frothing up my coffee. But boom, right there you go. That is your steamer. So that's pretty much it overall. Really great little product right here from, like I said, Cusimax. Go ahead, check out this espresso machine.